वीडियो देखने से पहले हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
Hi everyone, today we will make cat. We will start with the ears. For that, make U shapes like this and a little curve in between. Then 2 curves for the face and then the body. Make legs like this and then we will make tail. Now make features for the idea and then we will paint using acrylic color. I'm using cream, brown and white for the shades. So give a little darker shades around the eyes like this and light around the mouth and give more shades. Now color the eye with black and give more shades. Make patches with brown and white like this. Mix the colors well, then color the eye and nose and the mouth. Now color the full body with same procedure. Use white, cream and brown and make patches like this, few darker and few light patches. Color the legs with same procedure. Give dark patches and few light by using cream and white. Okay, now we will paint the last leg with same procedure, filling it with cream and giving light and dark patches with the help of white and brown. Then coloring the tail, do the same here as well, and we are almost done. Okay, so here is the cat. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.